Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term format of a book. Introduction. The format of a book refers to its physical features, including page size, shape, and other characteristics. The printer starts with a large sheet of paper, and the folding of this sheet determines the format of the book. Here are some of the common formats. Number 1. Folio. The sheet is folded once to form 2 leaves of 4 pages each. Folios are large books, and a classic example is the first Shakespeare's folio, the first edition of Shakespeare's collected plays published in 1623. Second, quarto. The sheet is folded twice to create 4 leaves, resulting in 8 pages. Quarto books are smaller than folios and the leaf is nearly square. Number 3. Octavo. The sheet is folded a third time to produce 8 leaves, which gives 16 pages. Octavos are smaller than quartos and are the most commonly used format in modern printing. Number 4. Duodecimo. In this format, a sheet is folded to create 12 leaves, resulting in 24 pages. The more leaves a single sheet is divided into, the smaller the leaf size of the book. Recto and verso. Colophon. When you open a book, the page on the right is called a recto and the page on the left is called a verso. In older books, the colophon was a note at the end of the book providing details such as the title, author, printer, and date of publication. In modern books, the colophon is typically located at the front, usually on the title page. It now commonly refers to the publisher's emblem or symbol, such as a torch for Harper, an owl for Holt, or a ship for Viking. However, this description applies to traditional book formats, and modern printing practices may vary, leading to deviations from these standard formats. So this was the discussion on the term format of books. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.